Oh my god. What are you guys doing here? What's going on YouTube? This is Abhishek Singh and I'm returning back to you with another fresh new vlog. Now I'm not sure if all of you really know right now, but Victoria has gone into another fresh lockdown. Super frustrating. Problem क्या है ना, यहाँ पे 3-4 केसेस हो जाते हैं, विक्टोरिया अपने आप को पूरा बंद कर देता है. Shut down Melbourne, you shut down everything, you shut down businesses that have actually gone back to work for after such a long time. And now things are just back to square one. So what I thought about was, we're back in the house. I'd done a bit of a new setup because I'm working from home again right now. Might as well vlog for my people. Came up with a new idea. Actually, well, not a new idea. I was trying to do this a long time ago, but never a better time to do it than right now. The idea is, I'll show you my house. So ये रहा मेरा front दरवाजा और ये रहा मेरा garage. अब मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है और मेरे रूममेट के पास गाड़ी है, तो वो वाली गाड़ी दिखाएंगे. चले. We enter in. And we're at the start. So we have the whole shoe rack right there. I will not show कि मेरे पास कौन कौन से जूते हैं क्योंकि उसका मैं अलग vlog बनाना चाहता हूँ. ये में थोड़ी चीजें पड़े हुए हैं. ये वाली watermelon वाली काली. I'll put it up in the vlog of what the story of the watermelon is. You see the staircase going all the way up there. I'll take you up there in a minute. It's got really, really nice lighting, which looks supremely nice at night. यहाँ पे चलते हैं. ये रहा मेरा वॉशिंग मशीन. आज संडे है इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि अब थोड़े कपड़े धोए जाएं. This is the first bathroom. It's pretty cool. This is the नीचे वाला bathroom. हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करते नहीं हैं इसको. Pretty decent, very decent, very decent. This is the first room downstairs. अगर आप लोग देख सकते हैं, ये इसकी secret lab की gaming chair. He's done his whole setup where he has a couple of screens here. And he does it, pretty much uses it all for gaming itself. That's nothing much here. थोड़ा सा aircon or this bathroom. Now this bathroom really never gets used. But the coolest and dopest thing is, check out this light. Bougie living. Now let's go back out. This is the garage. The garage is pretty cool. We haven't really used it for anything else other than the purpose of parking a car. Now, my roommate Sam, he's a bike aficionado. I don't know what they call them. तो साइकिलिंग खूब करता है. इसके बाद 2-3 साइकिल्स हैं और वहाँ पे ना वो सेटअप करके अपना पूरा साइकिलिंग वर्कआउट करता है. स्टैंडर्ड गराज स्टफ. अगर आपको वहाँ छोटा सा स्टोर रूम दिख रहा है ना, दैट्स फॉर माय ड्रायर. लेट मी टेक यू अपस्टेयर्स. दिस इज द स्टेयरकेस. A very random motel art kind of painting. Now, let me show you the drawing room. Ba-ba-da-ba! This is where I spend majority of my time, purely because I'm addicted to TV screens or monitor screens or laptop screens. So let's start from the balcony. This is the balcony outside. As you can see, it's very big. There is a grill right there. Now, we don't use the grill too much. We used it a couple of times and it's a little dirty. One thing that I really like about this house is the second fridge. Now, in times of need, you know what we fill this up with. Let's keep going. Back in the living area, one of my prized possessions is this sofa and that sofa. This thing, as you can see, turns out into a long bed. So whenever my friends like die or someone is crashing over, they pretty much sleep here. This will become his quarantine bed for the next 10 days. Some of my stuff. I really like this speaker. पता नहीं Philips का Pioneer God knows what it is. It's my television. I'm watching J Balvin's new documentary. Sofa, a nice desk, my bag. ये security का screen है. हमने कभी इसको on नहीं किया क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं इसका क्या purpose है. ये actually मेरी photo थी पीछे. इन्होंने पता नहीं इसको क्यों डाल दिया. मेरे पुरानी कंपनी के दोस्त बहुत पागल हैं. Let me tell you about this now. This is what it's all about. तो जब 2 दिन पहले लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ ना, what happened was the mistake that I made last time, which was a 10-month lockdown. I did not bring my computer screen from the office. So this time when lockdown happened, the first thing that I did was grab my computer stuff from the office and got it back to my home. Now, the entire time that I was working from home, the last 10 months, I was sitting there on that sofa and breaking my back. Not a good idea. Also, let me start sipping some tea while we are doing this because get the message. So let me talk about the home setup. This is my screen that I bought from my workplace. This is the PC. Well, the laptop पूरा सेटअप किया है. ये एक चेयर मैंने खरीदी क्योंकि मैंने कभी अपनी ज़िंदगी में कोई ऑफिस चेयर या कोई फर्नीचर ऐसे असेंबल नहीं किया था, तो ये मैंने खरीदा ऑफिस वर्क से. ऑफिस वर्क्स इज़ लाइक द ऑस्ट्रेलियन वर्जन of, well, it's the Australian version of like Bed Bath and Beyond or a home store. I don't know what you call it. Now moving on to this side of the kitchen. You all must be thinking, why is he showing us a regular cupboard or a pantry? But no. That's not what it is. This, my friend, is a fridge. Oh yeah. As you can see, we live that healthy lifestyle. Not really. Sara khana wana pina, some sauces, and let's come down to one of my prized possessions of my roommate. That's a coffee machine. I think he spent a lot of money on that. Microwave, pata nahi kya bana rahi hai. Electric stove, some spices, some stuff, and the regular stuff. So you can see kitchen is pretty cool. I really like this white marble kind of thingy. I don't know if it's stone or what it is, pata nahi. Itna काफी अनपढ़ है वैसे. My pinata. Say hello to my pinata. Say it. 2 ovens. I don't know if that is an oven or not. लेकिन ये तो oven है. इसको बहुत use करते हैं हम. Pantry. Just some regular things to eat. इस घर की एक प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? Living area और balcony इतनी सुंदर है, but it is literally staring at the back of a shopping center wall. यहाँ पे थोड़े घर हैं और यहाँ पे एक घर है और यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग है, तो हम लोग लिटरली पार्किंग और ये गाड़ी वाले उसमें कॉम्पैक्टेड है. काश यहाँ पे अगर व्यू होता है, इट वुड हैव बीन सो क्रेजी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. चलो नाउ लेट्स टेक यू अपस्टेयर्स. So as you guys saw, there was a room downstairs. Now we're going to take you upstairs where there are 2 rooms. सीढ़ियाँ. This is very meta. Really love this about this house. ये मेरे रूममेट का कमरा है, यहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. ये बहुत बढ़िया सी mirror hai, and this is my room. As you can see, I have really not cleaned it too much, so I'm going to avoid showing the dirty side of the room. That's a cupboard right there. This is a bed, some stuff that you can put there. Again, the dirty side. Cupboards here, cupboards there, cupboards everywhere. Now the most awesomest thing about my room is not the cupboards, actually the bathroom. Check out the lighting that happens. His and her sink. Not that there is a hers. Wide mirror range, a shower right there with all my essentials, and a sensational sunroof. So when I'm taking a dump, you know exactly what I'm looking at. God in the sky. Now, if you guys are wondering where I spent majority of my time in Australia, whether I'm working from home or I'm just chilling on a weekend like today, it's right here. I usually kick it up with my mug of some chai or something and watch TV all day long.
Now that's all for the house tour video. If you guys like that video, give it a like. Also showcase what your house looks like during lockdown and quarantine. Make sure to go subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Boom.